2019 Toyota Sienna. Sienna offers excellent overall quality and long-term dependability, making it a hassle-free vehicle to drive day in and day out while contributing to peace of mind on long road trips. Add a refined and fuel-efficient V6 engine, a smooth ride, and upscale interior accommodations to the mix, and it's easy to see that Sienna is built with the whole family in mind. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, power liftgate, navigation system, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, security system, compass, heated steering wheel, power windows, fog lights, rear window defroster, CD player, heated front seat, electronic stability control, trip computer, entertainment system, power moonroof. Come see the car for yourself.